morning students, this is Junita Mukherjee from SS Public School once again telling you some important questions of the chapter number, last chapter, which is for the half yearly exam, that is electricity. And in this particular chapter I have given you some questions. What is electric current? Draw a circuit and label it. And what do you mean by potential difference? How define Ohm's law, draw the graph and explain it. These are the 4 questions, and after this, on what factors the resistance of a conductor depends. So basically we have the resistance depending on the length and area of cross section of the wire and many more things that you have to write down in this particular question. Define resistance in the series and in parallel. We have the different formulas for the series and the parallel, that is Rp and Rs. That particular formula with proper diagram we need to do in this particular question. Explain the heating effect of the current, or define the Joule's law of heating. They are the same thing. Joule's law of heating, H is equals to IR square. So in that particular question which we have in this question, in this particular chapter which we have, that is let me tell you about that particular thing. That is H is equals to I square RT, that is the Joule's law of heating. Discuss the practical application of heating effect of the electric current. We have a practical application, that is fuse. We have to explain about the fuse and what happens when the particular appliances get heated out, and what kind of commercial devices which we are using, what kind of ampere which we are, how much ampere we are using, how much volt is there in the circuit itself, that is 220 volts it is there in the circuit itself. Now define electric power, define the commercial unit. Electric power is defined by V is equals to IR, P is equals to VI, and this will be equal to I square R, which will be equal to V square upon R. So in this particular thing we need to know about this commercial unit also, explain the commercial unit as well. So these are the questions. I think you are able to cope up with the few questions which I have already given to you. That is, once more I am going to explain it out. What is electric current? You know it very well. What is electric current? Draw a circuit diagram. The circuit diagram I have already explained to you. Any of the circuit diagram you can explain in this particular topic, and label it. What do you mean by potential difference? Difference between the by the electrical cell you can define the potential difference, or you can define by the potential difference by the formula also. So 2 things if you include, that will be the best option for you. Define Ohm's law, that is ohmic resistance. V is equals to IR. Draw the graph and explain the property itself. So this particular question, that is on what factors does the law depends on. This particular question, in this particular question is there in page number on what factors. This particular is in page number 106 to 107. 106 to 107. It is given in this particular page number. Now resistors in series and resistance in parallel, it is there in page number 209, 209 to 202 up to 213, 215, 209 to 215 up to 215 it has been given. Explain and give the circuits also. Okay, now heating. Now next one is the heating effect of the electric current. It is given in page 116, 216 to page number 217 it is given. Okay, now practical use application of heating effect of the current. Just this thing is given in 118 page number, 218 page number, and this particular electric power is given in 219 page number. So please note it down from your book itself and make your own short notes with the help of the book itself. And few questions are left out for your exercise which we need to discuss it. So we will be going for another video just after this video itself. Hope you have understood. In the Saturday and Sundays you just complete your question answers which I have already given to you. Only one class will be there for your last topic to be over, that is some questions related to the exercise questions, which I will give in the next week itself. And your half yearly portion is human eye and the colorful world, electricity, and the first chapter, that is light. Okay, so basically you have the chapters 10, I think 10, 10, 11 and 12. So half yearly chapters are 10, 11 and 12. These three chapters are included in your half yearly 10, 11, 12, that is light, human eye and colorful world, and electricity. Thank you, students.